Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for shesaved.com, and I'm going to give you a peek at our time at the Coeur d'Alene Casino and Resort. We are in the Spa Towers here, and this resort is actually about 30 minutes outside of Coeur d'Alene. And as you can see, beautiful, beautiful property and rooms. And one thing we love about this hotel is it's an energy efficient hotel. So you put your room key in there and the lights come on. And that way when you leave the room, the lights go off automatically. You don't have to worry about anything, but we love that about this property. Also love just how the rooms are laid out. Very spacious, lots of room to just kind of enjoy. I would definitely recommend requesting a view. You've got a golf course out there, and then they've got some areas on the property down below where they do a lot of educational tribal traditions and things where guests can partake in those and whatnot. I'll include the information on that below. They've got an award-winning program here for their cultural tourism events. Just really, really cool. As you can see in the room, you've got lots of space and refrigerator, desk space, storage space, all your coffee bar stuff. You've also got lots of storage space in these cupboards here. Another thing I wanted to mention is that we are in a king bed room, and you can request a rollaway bed for $10, and their rollaway beds are actually super comfortable. So I recommend that if you need more space. Here's a peek at the bathroom. Again, super spacious. I actually really loved the products that they provide for you, and as you can see, just really nice bathroom here. You've got the shower and the bathtub, which are separate, which is really nice. So anyway, really impressed with this property. Seems super clean. The staff was super friendly and helpful. And then there's a lot going on at this resort as well. So again, this is the Coeur d'Alene Casino and Resort. This is the Spa Tower. They have two different areas here, but I wanted to give you a peek at these rooms and just why we think they're so neat. And again, this view is just amazing. And if you're a golfer, that's another wonderful thing that you can partake in when you visit the resort. There's just lots going on there. So there's a peek at the room. I'm also gonna show you around a bit and give you an idea of a few other things that we really loved about the property. Okay, so I mentioned that they do a lot with their cultural tourism program here, and this Storytellers Lounge is just one example of that. This is a really neat teepee tent type area right behind the registration desk where guests can come and watch video and see artifacts and learn history about the Indian culture, and they've just done so much to bring all of that into this property. It's just such a neat place to stay. They have so many things to offer here. So I wanted to share that with you. It's another thing that made this property really special and fun to us. So there you go. There is a look at the Coeur d'Alene Casino and Resort, and this is Carrie Lynn for shesaved.com.